এই মানুহটোৱে মোৰ আত্মা, আমাৰ আত্মা, our soul. জুবিন গাৰ্গ!
তই অলপ দৰৱ খাই ল, সদায় ৰঙালী যেতিয়া শেষ হয় তাৰ মাতটো ভাগি যায়, চিঞৰি চিঞৰি ইমান কথা কয় মানে যে I'm more mad than you. I'm a mad guy, always.
He is my backbone. মোৰ backbone টো হৈছে জুবিন গাৰ্গ.
Yeah, I try my best to help you. That's it.
Zubin is Assam and Assam is Zubin. He is a heart, he is a soul. And we will never let anybody hurt our heart and soul. Hey, honno hai Zubin! Lage nai Zubin okhodai!
You see, all are drunk. Except me. People say I get drunk. But I'm not. Neeraj is not. Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah. But day before yesterday I was drunk.
I'm going to get drunk now.
No.
He's drunk. He talks drunk now.
মাতটো ভাগিছে, ড্ৰাং হোৱা নাই.
No.
He's also drunk.
I don't mind. If it is for Zubin, I won't mind to get drunk also.
Now, sometimes it's good to be drunk. So enjoy the party. They're giving a party in Gateway Grandeur today. All are welcome. There, whole night there will be party.
এই মানুহটোৱে মোৰ আত্মা, আমাৰ আত্মা, our soul. জুবিন গাৰ্গ! সঞ্জীৱ নাৰায়ণ মোৰ অতি এটা বেকবোন. ঋষিৰাজ বৰকটকী, মৃগাংক হাজৰিকা,
কিন্তু আমাৰ চবৰে কলিজা এটাই, জুবিন গাৰ্গ! আমাৰ হিয়া মাতো কলিজা জুবিন গাৰ্গ!
মই এটাই ক'ব কৈছোঁ যে অসমৰ সৰ্ববৃহৎ ফেষ্টিভেলটো অসমীয়াই পাতে, আৰু এই অসমীয়াটো আত্মাটো হৈছে জুবিন গাৰ্গ.
নাই এতিয়া মানে তই কথা কৈ থাকিলে তই 3 ঘণ্টামান কবি. নীৰজ মই বহুত দিন পিছত লগ পাইছোঁ. I'm talking in Assamese, okay? So yeah, we are meeting after a long time. So I was sitting and I was enjoying the show. So generally I do show, people enjoy. But today I was enjoying, you are doing the show. That's the thing. That's the brotherhood of singing and music and freedom. That's the thing. So I welcome you again and again. Every year you come again. I'll be there to watch you. And you watch me too, sometimes. Yes. It's lovely. It was very lovely experience. And thank you everyone for supporting Rongali, for supporting this progression of 9 years. Progression of 9 years. I was like, as a friend, I've tried.
Home Minister I got. Home Minister I got.
Sometimes I mess up. I'm sorry, but I'm always there with Rongali. Thank you. I'm very blunt. What I say, I say. What I don't say, I don't say. Thank you, and I'm so pleased that I released my first poster in Rongali, and you are here. So I welcome you to the halls in September. It's a long time. Take some time, sleep well, have some good food, read, and wait. That's it. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
And do we all love Zubin? Once more for Zubin, only Zubin!
সঞ্জীৱ নাৰায়ণে আমাক বহুত ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিছে. এটা হাত চাপৰি হ'ব লাগে. সঞ্জীৱ নাৰায়ণ, মোৰ মাতটো ভাগি গৈছে. সঞ্জীৱ নাৰায়ণ, মৃগাংক হাজৰিকা, আমাৰ এজন আৰু এজন মোৰ বেকবোন ঋষিৰাজ বৰকটকী.